Russian, American and Canadian astronauts have successfully blasted off to the International Space Station in a Russian spacecraft this morning. In October, a US astronaut and a Russian cosmonaut escaped with their lives after their rocket malfunctioned. In London, I'm Pete Ross at the BBC.
From the WLRN studios at the Miami Herald, I'm Christine DiMattei. This year's Atlantic hurricane season is over. By the numbers, it was only slightly more active than average, but for those affected, it was life-altering. It wasn't the number of tropical storms and hurricanes that 2018 will be remembered by. For the second year in a row, it was more about where they developed, how strong they became, and unfortunately, who was in their path. From WUFT in Gainesville, Forrest Smith recaps the historic year with the Florida Public Radio Emergency Network. It all began on May 21st when meteorologist Jeff Huffman and Cindy O'Quinn were already watching a very warm Gulf of Mexico.
Hurricane season maybe more than a week away, but we're already watching the Gulf for possible
tropical storm Alberto, I meteorologist.
This is the third season in a row we've had pre-season
Third
activity.
watch for 2 to 4 foot storm.
This one, of course, was a heavy rain spread. 3 days straight of off and on heavy rain.
Alberto made landfall near Laguna Beach on May 28th, producing significant flooding and claiming 8 lives from the Florida Panhandle to the Mid-Atlantic.
On the list of the Beryl.
After a quiet June, Hurricanes Beryl and Chris formed in July, and tropical storms Debbie and Ernesto in August. But they all stayed out to sea or dissipated. This is when meteorologist Jeff Huffman noticed the waters in the Atlantic were behaving differently this year.
The main development region, where a lot of the big storms develop every year in August, September, and October, that could stay unusually quiet. That doesn't mean we can't get a storm closer to home in the Gulf, the Caribbean, the West.
And sure enough, there was trouble brewing in September, beginning with a very wet Labor Day in Florida.
Watch out, it wasn't South Florida.
All eyes are on Gordon in the Gulf of Mexico.
About the central Gulf Coast states where Gordon
Talking about 2 to 4 feet potential.
Gordon was one of those rain with a name type storms. Certainly there was some wind.
The tropical storm went on to cause $250 million worth of flood-related damages from the Gulf Coast to the Midwest, which pales in comparison to what's happening next.
Hurricane Florence is rapidly intensifying, and it's
Before Gordon, the F-storm was already on a 14-day journey across the Atlantic, a trek that would eventually slow to a catastrophic crawl through the Carolinas.
16 inches
Talking about
still to
this
fall.
3 Facebook Lives ago, that corridor from Raleigh down to just north of Wilmington is where I'm concerned.
Florence was the wettest tropical cyclone on record in both South and North Carolina, where several rivers recorded all-time crests in the days that followed. Damage estimates were $18 billion. It claimed 53 lives. The next